Hi guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna show you how to change your flat tire. I know that guys, you're thinking about RACV, right? Oh man, I got the RACV, so I don't need to worry about that. Yes, you're right. But if you are in a remote area, the RACV guys will take you 1 hour. This job is only about 10 to 15 minutes, all right? So you will, just waste your time. So I will show you properly how to change your flat tire, A to Z, all right? Come with me. I'm gonna open my boot here. Here we go. So I just always keep a pair of gloves here. It's always handy. And remember, it's a jumper cable and a basic tools. So here we go, guys. So you have to take off this one, right? Take off this one out of the way. And you can see this is your spare tire, right? Take off this one, and there is a screw here. Unscrew this one, lefty loosey. Like this is the attachment. Most of the sedans is coming the same way. So this is the Toyota Corolla, all the Asian models. Some of the models are coming small tire. This is the real tire, okay? So you use the manual handling technique. Take the thing out like this way. This is not too heavy, all right? So you can see this cover here. This cover, you have to take off the cover this way. Alright? So the jack stand is here. So this one, you have to unscrew this. Just lefty loosey. So this is the jack stand. So only for changing the tires. So I'm taking this one out for you guys. Okay? So jack stand. And this is the wheel spanner here. This is the tool for raising the car up. That's all we needed. So we are just needed spare tire, jack stand, wheel spanner, and the tool for raising the car up. Okay? So before you do anything, make sure so your handbrakes are really tight. Alright? Safety comes first. I told you you are in a remote area, okay? Find some ropes and choke the tires. So I'm gonna show you in the front tire, okay? The first thing you have to do is place your jack strap underneath your body. I will show you exactly how to do it. So this is the area, this is running board, right? So this is the area we're gonna use it to fix the jack stand. I will show you that exactly. Okay, just turn right, so it will come up. So you just lock in that area. That's what I'm going to do. There is a spot, like a U. So I'm just locking my jack stand in that area, which is very important. All right, just like this. And this point, you don't need to raise the car up. Okay, just place the jack stand there. Okay, so the jack stand is underneath the car. It's already fixed there, but the car is not raised yet. Now this point, so you have to remove the wheel cover. So just hold it tight and pull it like that. Simple. Okay, so we are going to break these nuts now. Break the nuts. All right, so I'm just using my wheel spanner, keeping it here. Okay, very carefully. You just hold somewhere with your legs, which is a powerful space. All right, look at that. This is the way you have to break your nuts. Okay, break all the nuts, but don't remove it, just break it. So I just break all the nuts now. So this point, you have to raise the car up from the ground, okay? Remember that? So you just break the nuts, because you can't break the nuts when the car is, up from the ground. You can easily damage your driving shaft, and the driving shaft is going to the automatic transmission, all right? So you can damage it, possibly damage it. So break it, and this point, you have to raise the car up. So use the manual handling technique. Okay, so you just use this tool, put that on the hole here like this way. Okay, now just use one hand to raise this way. You have to freely pass your palm underneath the tire. At this point, you can remove the nuts. Okay, like this. All the nuts are off, and you can hold one hand here and the other hand here. Here. One here, one here. Like the holes are there. So when just hold on the hole here. Now, this way. The tire is on the ground. So I'm going to put the tire back on. So make sure the stepney, the spare tire in your dicky. So you just make sure it's got enough air in it. So when you check your normal tires, okay, you have to check your spare tire as well, because if you really need it, it should have air in it. Okay, remember that. The same way. Okay, so you just hold your right hand into two holes here. Okay, use your knee on the ground, and you can see the bolt through this hole here. Correct? Just hold one hand on the hole. Now here we go. This way. You can use one of your knee here, the left knee, like that, and left hand here, and use your nuts to one of the on the top and one in the bottom. Now it's on place. It won't go anywhere now. Like that. Now this point your hands are free. You put all the nuts back on. Make sure it's just hand tight, okay? Okay. Oh, good. Now this point, the tire is okay there. Now for real tight, what you have to do, you have to place the tire on the ground. So here, do the opposite work. Just unscrew this one. Loose it. Like that. Alright? So this point, you can take the jack stand. I'm going to do the real tight. Okay. Four. So this, what I'm going to do is do the same procedure. Hold on here, use your leg like that. Now this is the real tight, right? Now I'm choosing an opposite one. Here we go. This point like this. That's it. Tight. Okay? Like that. Here we go. Like this. Hold on. That's it. On the topper one. Hold on. The work is done. Now you're gonna put the wheel cover back on. So this one, okay, this is the spot here. All right, this one has to be here like that. Now that's it, work is done. All right, it's take only 10 to 15 minutes. You can do that yourself, save your time. So I think this video is helpful for you guys. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments, and consider to subscribe our channel. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy.